Well, hi, and welcome back. Now, in this assignment based lesson, I want you to brainstorm a few possible solutions to your own problem using the process we just looked at in the previous lesson. So please, at this time, open the mind map template called number 6, Brainstorming Template, and you should see a screen that looks something like this. As is the case with the other mind map templates, this is designed for you to use yourself in the future. And I've included notes in each of the nodes to remind you of the specific criteria for each of these items. Okay, once you have the mind map ready, if you wish, you can go back to the 5 whys sheet and the environmental analysis sheet and copy your core problem and any priority items from the analysis sheet and paste those into the brainstorming sheet. Now, you don't have to do that, but if it makes sense to you to work this way, please feel free to do so. This is something that I personally do. I find it helpful, but please, it's up to you what you do. Now, make a copy of the solutions node. You will use one copy of this node for each proposed solution to your problem. Then work through each of the items in this node, first in the sequence shown here from top to bottom, and then afterwards you can move between items as needed. As one item or hat takes shape and receives input, that might affect the input on other hats. And if you do find yourself working this way and moving between these hats to refine the input, that's actually a very good sign that you're getting the best from this particular model. So that's all there is from me on this lesson, and when you're ready, you can begin. As always, please feel free to use the discussion tools to share your results with the class, if you wish to, and to ask any questions you may have. Once again, thank you very much for your time.